Hey, what's up boys and girls? I'm gonna teach you how you can use Snapchat on your PC. Now make sure you have your phone handy because we're going to need it to verify our account. Now first thing, you need to search for Snapchat web in Google. I'm going to leave the link as a pinned comment so you can just access it that way. Now we want to go to the first web page, which says web.snapchat.com, and here we will be asked to log in. Now I'm going to log in with my credentials. If you don't know what your email is like, you can check it on your phone, on your Snapchat app. Okay, and after you're logged in, this should pop up, confirm in Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app on your device and confirm the details. Now, that's why we needed our phone. We're just going to take it. And as you can see right here, it should say that you got a notification from Snapchat. All right, so I'm just going to unlock my phone. Like that, and as you can see, Snapchat notification, we're just going to press on it, and here you just want to press on yes. As you can see, now you have full access to your Snapchat on your PC. Now we want to click on get started. We can allow our camera and microphone here. So if you want them to have access and you want to send snaps that way, you can just allow it. For now, I'm not going to do it. Notifications, I'm also not going to do it. User camera, no. And as you can see, we have access to the features of Snapchat. We can type text, we can open, we can play stuff. And that is how you get access to Snapchat on your PC. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I will see you boys and girls next time. Goodbye.